Alright, so we're going to be talking about acronyms for language analysis. So you'll notice this is from 2018, so I'm going to update that because it's a bit newer. The reason that there's fat cats is because that's one of the ones that we use. So this is one I've never really liked myself, but it's a good general acronym for things to consider. But since the utility of an acronym is that you memorize it, this one probably isn't that good. If you have a memory that can hold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-ish things in it, 8 or 9 things in it, good for you. And you might want to use this one, but otherwise, here's the one that I would most recommend. So these are different acronyms from a whole bunch of different English teachers, and they all more or less boil down to the same thing, and they contain similar elements, but it's just kind of which one you find most memorable. These are important for your memory and recall, so whichever one connects to you, you should use that one. Usually I use acronym 4, which is Fat Cat Pick, so form, author, title, contention, arguments, tone, publication, image, context. So you'll need to firstly remember the acronym for that and then actually remember what they relate to, which in this case are listed there. And the important part is that your introduction covers all of these things, and most of them can be done within one sentence, like you could tick 3 or 4 of these off within one sentence. And your conclusion is also Fat Cat Pick, but with the things that you don't need to repeat. So obviously in your conclusion you don't need to again tell us the publication, but it's probably worth reiterating the context, for example. So that's introduction and conclusion and different acronyms you can use. Your task, I guess, is to memorize these and to be able to use them in your work.